Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Electrophilic aromatic substitution, EAS, with interhalogen compounds. Moving on to the next step. Identify the electrophile. ICl is an interhalogen compound. In the presence of a Lewis acid catalyst, anhydrous UlCl3, ICl undergoes polarization. UlCl3 coordinates with the Cl end of ICl, since Cl is more electronegative and forms a stronger bond with Ul, generating I+, as the electrophilic species, ICl plus UlCl3I+. UlCl4-. Moving on to the next step. Determine which atom attacks benzene. Because iodine is the more electropositive end of ICl, it acts as the electrophile, I+, that attacks the benzene ring in the EAS mechanism. And for the final step, write the product. The electrophilic iodine, I+, substitutes one hydrogen on benzene, giving iodobenzene, C6H5I. The byproduct is alkyl 4, which decomposes to HCl plus UlCl3, catalyst regenerated. Evaluate options. A. Chlorobenzene would require Cl plus as electrophile. Cl is the more electronegative atom in ICl, so it bonds to UlCl3 rather than attacking benzene. Incorrect. B. Iodobenzene, correct product as I+ is the electrophile attacking benzene. Correct. C. 1-chloro-4-iodobenzene, the substitution product. Only one substitution occurs under these conditions and only I is introduced. Incorrect. D. 1-iodo-3-chlorobenzene, again a disubstitution product with both I and Cl not formed. Incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.